In today's video, I'm sharing 10 low maintenance houseplants that are perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle, or let's be honest, anyone who forgets to water their plants. Hey everyone, welcome back to Backyard. Stick around for some cool plant facts and tips that will make your home greener without adding stress. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This bright lime green beauty is called Philodendron moonlight. It's a tropical plant that doesn't need much attention, indirect light and occasional watering, and it's happy. It's a self-adhering philodendron, which means it doesn't trail, perfect for desktops or shelves. Water when top 1 to 2 inches of soil feels dry. Next is the adorable and fuzzy looking Cuddly Cactus. It has soft hair-like fuzz that gives it a super cute, petable appearance. It's one of the few cacti that looks like a plush toy, but thrives with minimal attention. Keep it in bright light and water sparingly, about once every 2 to 3 weeks. Say hello to the color. Tradescantia Zebrina, also called wandering Jew, has eye-catching purple and silver striped leaves. It grows like crazy. A few cuttings can turn into a lush cascade in no time. Place it in bright, indirect light and water when the soil starts to dry. No soil? No problem. Air plants survive completely soil-free. They absorb moisture and nutrients through their leaves from the air. Soak them in water for 20 to 30 minutes once a week and let them dry upside down. Classic and practical. Aloe Vera is a healing plant that also looks amazing. Used since ancient Egypt for skincare and burns. It's like having a natural first aid kit on your windowsill. Needs bright light and minimal watering. Let the soil dry completely before watering. As strong as its name, the cast iron plant can survive low light, irregular watering and neglect. It was a popular Victorian-era houseplant because it tolerated the cold dust indoors. Great for dark corners, water when the soil dries out. Want color with zero fuss? Go for Aglaonema. Varieties come in green, silver and even pink. It's considered lucky in Chinese culture and often gifted for good fortune. Low light tolerant and only needs watering once the top layer of soil is dry. Easy to grow and impossible to kill, Pothos is a trailing plant, perfect for shelves or hanging baskets. Pothos can grow up to 10 feet indoors, and in the wild it can climb trees and reach lengths of over 40 feet. Water when the top 25 to 30% of the topsoil dries out. Shiny, upright and super sleek, the ZZ plant is a modern favorite for homes and offices. It can go months without water, thanks to its rhizomes, storing moisture underground. Place in indirect light and let the soil dry out fully before watering. And finally, the legendary snake plant, the ultimate low-maintenance superstar. It releases oxygen at night, great for better sleep. Water every 2 to 3 weeks and keep in moderate to bright, indirect light. And there you have it. 10 gorgeous low-maintenance plants that thrive on love and a little neglect. Which one is already in your home? And which one are you planning to get next? Hit like, drop your plant in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more plant-loving content.